boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Victony here, everything. So we have one chord progression that goes in the same way with some modifications here and there, but pretty much in the same way through the entire song and one easy string pattern. Let's dive into this one. So we're gonna take a look at the chords here without any capo needed. So let's dive right into them, starting with D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, and then it comes the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A next. And what you really need to play here is really the bass notes, because it goes that fast, but you can go with a full chord anyway and show you that one. It is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And then finally we have the B minor. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here if you don't want to. So just 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. All right, so we can go to D again, the first chord, and learn the strumming pattern. So grab that one, and one string around will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And a couple rounds of it. And so on. All right, so we're gonna go through this one and start with 3 string rounds on D plus 1 extra down. Okay, so 3, 2, 3, and 1 extra down. That extra down, you will play in the same way on this bass note. You just drop the D chord as it is and just play the second fret on the E string, 1 down on that string, like just a kick on that second fret E string in the bass. And that's it for that. And then you go over to G and play in the same way as the D, 3 string rounds plus an extra kick there. And then you go to this A, and that's what I mentioned. You just need the bass notes there. You just do an extra kick on that A, like this. And this kick, that means you just play 1 down, and you can incorporate perhaps the D string below as well. But just stay on the bass strings there, in the same way as you played the kick there on the F sharp before. And then as soon as you play this 1 down on A, 1 down, you go to the B minor. And here you have 2 different choices. Either you go with 3 string rounds plus 2 extra notes added, like this. 3. And then we have 2 extra notes added, which are the 4th fret on A string and 5th fret on A string. That works as a transition to the last chord. Either you do this 3 plus this 2 extra notes added, or you go B minor 4 string rounds straight. So that's the only difference there. With the B minor you can go 2 ways there. And then you go to the last chord, which is the G again, and play 4 string rounds. So that is 1 round. I'm gonna play 1 round for you. I'm gonna incorporate the extra added notes for the B minor, that version. I think that is the coolest, and it will sound like this. Round, and so on. Alright guys, Victony is everything. Give it a try. It's guitar friendly, worth a try. So hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar and play tuned.